Hello guys, welcome to another video tutorial. In this tutorial we will guide you how you can deposit funds to Etherflyer and you can trade on Etherflyer. Some people are asking there is some issue with Windex, and we also encountered many issues with Windex, so we have decided to go for Etherflyer, which is much better than Windex. So in this guide I will help you to understand how you can deposit funds from your Adesbrick account to your MetaMask account, then you can trade on Etherflyer. As you all know, Etherflyer is a decentralized exchange. You can connect your MetaMask with Etherflyer and trade directly from your MetaMask. So listen everything carefully so you may not face any issue in future. So let's start now. First you have to go to login with your account. I would suggest everyone to enable 2FA for security reasons. That will help you to protect your account from hackers and bad guys. So now login. Oops. Let me try again. I think there might be some typing error. Here, as you know, I have enabled 2FA, so I will put my 2FA code here in order to proceed. I am doing this video step by step, so there will not be any confusion in future for you. So continue to dashboard. Okay, as we are logged into our Adesbrick account, then you must have MetaMask. This is the official website for MetaMask, metamask.io. MetaMask is a ERC20 compatible wallet which you can use to store your ERC20 tokens. So they offer Firefox extension as well as Chrome extension. As I'm using Firefox, so I will go for Firefox. If you are using Chrome, then you have to go to Chrome. Okay, here I will click add to Chrome. Now add. Okay, and now MetaMask is added to my Firefox, so I will go click here, get started. As I'm creating a new account, so I will click on create a wallet. Lot of people were asking me, they have withdrawn their funds to blockchain wallet or IM token wallet or some other wallets which are compatible, which allows you to import your keys. If you have withdrawn your funds to blockchain or IM token and your funds are not showing there, you have to export private keys from those wallets and then import your keys by clicking here. When you will add that private key to your MetaMask account, your token will automatically be shown in your account. I hope lot of people who have sent support ticket, they can use this way to recover their Adesbrick token which they have withdrawn to blockchain wallet. Remember, the funds that you have withdrawn to Coin Payment or Coinbase, they cannot be recovered, because Coinbase does not allow you to export your private keys. That's why you cannot recover your funds from there. Okay, now let's start with create a wallet. I agree. I will use a password. Create. As you know, this is the sensitive data. You must have download this. You must have download this, because if in any case you lost access to your MetaMask account, you must have your private key stored to your system, so you can use that private key to import your funds to any other ERC20 compatible wallet. Okay. After downloading the private keys, you have to copy the paraphrase and you have to re-enter that paraphrase. For security reasons, I was not able to show that to you. After that, you will be taken to this page. This is the page where your balance, Ethereum balance, will be shown. So to add AdsBrick here in MetaMask, I would like to tell you again, you have to go to add token. Now search here ADZB. As it is not showing, what you have to do, you have to go to your AdsBrick account and copy this smart contract address. That's why we have shown this address to you. If in any ERC20 compatible wallet your tokens are not showing, you have to click on custom, then copy this smart contract address and paste it here in MetaMask. As you know, my AdsBrick token are not showing, so what I will do, I will click on custom token. Here you have to put token contract address. As you know, I put the token contract address, it automatically take the symbol of token and its decimal. Then you have to click next, then add token. Now all the token that you have in your AdsBrick account will be shown here. Okay, MetaMask account, what you have to do, you have to copy this address. This is your Ethereum address, and go back to AdsBrick, withdraw. It's not compulsory that you can only withdraw AdsBrick token from AdsBrick official website to that address. You can give that address to anyone who can send you AdsBrick token. That's not compulsory that you can only withdraw from AdsBrick official website. You have to put your address here. Amount, as I have enabled 2FA, so it requires me to put 2FA in order to proceed. I have successfully placed my withdrawal. I would like to clear few things about withdrawals. When you place withdrawal, it will show your withdrawal status pending admin approval. After 24 hours, it will show you it is marked for payment. When it shows you it is marked for payment, then it means you will receive it in next 24 to 48 hours. So approximately maximum waiting time is 72 hours for withdrawal to process, because we process withdrawal in batches. That's why you have to wait for 48 to 72 hours max. Okay, after you have withdrawn and your withdrawal is successfully paid, then you will see your Addsbrake account balance here. Okay, as you know, I have deposited some Addsbrake token here, also some Ethereum. Please understand, in MetaMask, to do trading on Etherflyer, you must have some Ethereum to pay the Ethereum network fees in order to move your funds. Etherflyer is a decentralized exchange, so all your funds will remain in your wallet. First you have to transfer those funds to Etherflyer account. For that you need some of the Ethereum in order to proceed with your exchange. Okay, now as you can see, I have deposited funds. Now what to do next is go to Etherflyer. As you know, this is I am on Etherflyer official website. Then you have to click on my account. Please understand, I am doing each and every step, with explanation, so you will not get any confusion further. Okay, now see here, if you don't have any wallet, you can create a new wallet here. Then what you have to do, you have to provide that new wallet address directly to Addsbrake, so your transfer, when we will send you withdraw, you can get them in your Etherflyer account. Second way is numeric phrases, you can do by this. Third is private keys. As I told earlier, if you have withdrawn your funds to Coinomi, IAM token, or blockchain wallet, you have to export your private keys of those addresses, and you can import them directly to your Etherflyer account, or you can do that in MetaMask as I told earlier. So in that way, your tokens that are not showing will be shown up. Or you can do, if you are using my Ether wallet, Mu wallet, then you can import by JSON file. Okay, next one is Ledger wallet. You can use your Ledger wallet or Trezor wallet or MetaMask. As you know, I have deposited fund to MetaMask, so I will guide you through MetaMask. But you can use any of these convenient methods because all are applicable. So you can use any of them. Okay, now let's proceed with MetaMask. On current browser, as I'm using Firefox, so I will switch to Chrome right now, then we will proceed further. I hope I have explained all the 7 methods you can use to log into Etherflyer. So with MetaMask, you can use 2 ways to log in. As you know, I'm using Firefox, so it does not support Firefox extension for MetaMask. So I will go here, click on MetaMask app, then click on account details. The simplest way is to click on export key. As you click on your export key, you will be given your export key. You have to copy that and click on import private key, and here you have to put the private key. You have to create a wallet password. After putting, here is the referral code. You don't need referral code. If you have, you can use, otherwise it is not compulsory. Then you have to put the captcha and click on import. So I'm also showing the other way with Chrome, so everyone will get complete understanding. As you know, this is the same account. I will go with Etherflyer. As you can see, here is the option to connect. I will go for connect. You have to put the captcha. Referral code is not compulsory. If you have, you can use. Import. Now it is importing your MetaMask wallet. There is no fees involved till this process. Okay, now as you know, my wallet is connected, so I will go on my asset. You have to go on my asset, uncheck hide zero balance. From here you can see how much Ethereum balance you have. Here you can see it is showing my balance, but I cannot trade it until I will deposit this fund to my Etherflyer account. What I have to do is I have to go to deposit on Ethereum, put the amount you would like to deposit here, 0.18, let's say. Here you can select the medium, slow, fast speed, any speed you want. I will go with normal, even faster. Deposit. It will open up MetaMask. I will click on confirm here. Confirm. Now you can see its status is pending. It will process in few minutes. It will not take longer. Then if you have AdsBrick token in your MetaMask, then you have to search here ADZB. Here you can see if you want to deposit your AdsBrick token from your MetaMask, then you have to click on deposit. It will show your balance in your MetaMask. Here you can see I have 2500 AdsBrick token. So put the amount you would like to deposit. So I want to deposit 2000. Here you can see Ethereum gas price. That's why in start I told you you must keep some of the Ethereum to pay the Ethereum blockchain fees. That's what it need right now. If I will go with faster, I will click on deposit. It will deduct estimately this amount from my MetaMask and process my transaction. Then here I have to click on confirm. Here I will click on confirm. Now you can see it is in process. You can go to history and see. Here you can see both are processing. So let's wait until system process them. As you can see, transactions are completed now. Now you have to click on exchange mainboard. Then select AdsBrick token from this drop down menu, search ADZB, click on it. Now as you can see, I have my Ethereum which I have deposited are showing here. My AdsBrick tokens are showing here. So if you would like to sell your AdsBrick token, put the price in Ethereum amount, then click sell. If you would like to buy, you must have Ethereum as I have. Put the price on which you want to buy, amount of tokens, and click on buy. Your orders will be posted in the order book. As soon as they execute, you get the amount of Ethereum or EDGE token which you have requested for. I hope I have cleared everything regarding Etherfly trading on this video. If you still have any question, you can ask us through support ticket. Have a good day.